Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Team. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to play background music on Zoom in your laptop. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tech Team. So, let's go. For this, you have to open your Zoom app. Now present new meeting. Now click on Share option. Now go to Advanced. Here you can see Computer Audio. Press on it. Now click on Share. So this is how to play background music on Zoom in your laptop. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.